Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today, we are going to learn multiplication in a fun and easy way using rocks. But before we start, let's first understand what multiplication means. It means adding equal groups. Next is let's identify the parts of a multiplication sentence. Example, 3 times 4 equals 12. 3, the number of equal groups. 4, the number of objects in each group. 3 and 4 are the factors. 12 is the product, the answer to the multiplication. X is the multiplication symbol, means times or groups of. Let's learn how to solve this multiplication problem step by step. Step 1. Make equal groups. We have 5 times 4 is equals. Look at the first number. The first number is 5. It tells us how many groups we need, so let's prepare 5 wheelbarrows. Each wheelbarrow represents one group. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 groups. Step 2. Put rocks in each group. Look at the second number. The second number is 4. It tells us how many rocks we need to put in each group. Let's place 4 rocks in every wheelbarrow. Now we have 4 rocks in the first wheelbarrow, 4 rocks in the second wheelbarrow, 4 rocks in the third wheelbarrow, 4 rocks in the fourth wheelbarrow, and 4 rocks for the fifth wheelbarrow. Step 3. Use repeated addition. Each group has 4 rocks. Now let's add the rocks in all groups. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. So 5 groups of 4 makes 20. That means there are 20 rocks altogether. Step 4. Write the multiplication sentence. We have 5 groups of 4 rocks. We write 5 times 4 equals 20. We read it as 5 groups of 4 makes 20. Step 5. Check your answer. Let's count all the rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes! Our answer is correct. Remember, the first number tells us the number of groups. The second number tells us how many objects are in each group. Multiplication is a quick way to add equal groups. Great job, little builders! Now you know that 5 groups of 4 rocks makes 20 rocks altogether. Let's practice one more example together. Watch carefully as we follow the same steps. 1. 2 times 3 is equals. Step 1. Make 2 groups. The first number tells us the number of groups. Step 2. Put 3 rocks in each group. The second number tells us how many are in each group. Step 3. Add the groups. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Step 4. Write the answer. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 groups of 3 makes 6. Now it's your turn. Watch another examples. Follow each steps and see if you can figure out the answer. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing your multiplication, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Goodbye.